Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to block promo messages on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. Many of you may not like getting promo messages like this. So, how can you stop getting them? Okay, first step, please long press on the message you want to block. And then here you can click on the three dots. Okay, and then you can tap the block option here. And then you will not get the message anymore. Okay, and this way you can apply to all message that you want to block. Well, that's the tutorial on how to block promo message on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.